this is Lakshmi Prasad. So we have a placed candidate, he is Rakshith. So he's going to share his experience and feedback. So let's share your feedback and experience in interviews.
Yes. Hi, I am Rakshith and I am from Government SKSJDI Technological Institute, Bangalore. And my year of pass out was 2024 and I studied in computer science branch. My overall percentage was around 80%. And coming here to the PySpiders helped me a lot by cracking the interview. I have been trained on SQL and Python as of now. The SQL trainer was the Vatsal. He helped me a lot to gain some hands-on experience in the SQL subject. And my Python trainer was Lakshmi Prasad sir. He helped me very much in understanding the Python. Means which I faced some difficulties in Python. I was an experienced candidate in Java. So the Python training helped me a lot in cracking the interviews. Most of the questions were asked on the Python basics like hooks, concepts. So this was my review.
So which activities helped you to crack interviews from here?
Yes, sir. Here we had a custom of bootcamp presentation. Bootcamp presentation means presenting what we have learned on that today's class. Means it helped me a lot in improving my communication skills. Means the main thing which the interviewers observe in conducting the interview. I was excelled there, and the mock interviews helped me a lot to have the experience of interviews. The real-time interviews were easy to handle because of the mock interviews. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.